Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to save and load machine learning models. Once your model is optimized, we have to save and load the machine learning model in Python. Basically, it is known as serializing and deserializing. The model can be serialized and deserialized by using Pickle and Joblib library. Pickle is a standard way of serializing objects in Python. We can use the Pickle operation to serialize machine learning algorithms and save the serialized format to a file. Later on, we can load this file to deserialize the model and use it to make the new prediction. Now, how we can do this, let's see in Jupyter Notebook. From pandas, import read underscore CSV. From sklearn.model underscore selection, import train test split. From sklearn.linear underscore model, import logistic regression. From Pickle, import dump. From Pickle, import load. Now we will have to specify the path where our data file is located. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this lecture series. Names, we are specifying the names of the variable. Data frame is equal to read underscore CSV file name. So this is a file name which we are specifying. Names is equal to names. Array is equal to data frame dot values. Now we will segregate the dependent and independent variable. So X all independent variables. X is equal to array square bracket colon 0 to 8. Y is equal to array square bracket colon 8. That's a target variable. So X train, X test, Y train, Y test, train test split. X comes from here, Y comes from here. Test size is 0.33. This means that our training data set is 66%. We'll specify the random seed equal to 7 so that we are in the position to produce the same results every time. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this lecture series. Model is equal to logistic regression. Now we will train the model with the help of training data set. So model.fit X train Y train. Now we will save this finalized models. Finalized model is equal to finalize underscore model dot save dump and round bracket model comma open file name inverted commas WP. Now, once the model has been saved, we want to reload this model. This is known as serializing and this is known as deserializing. Loaded under the underscore model is equal to load open file name. This is a file name, comma RB. Result is equal to loaded underscore model dot score. Now we will test the model on the testing data set. So X test, comma Y test. This is a 33% data. Print result. So this model gives me 78.74% accuracy. Now comes the Joblib. The Joblib library is a part of Skypick ecosystem and provides utilities for pipelining Python jobs. It provides utilities for saving and loading the Python objects that make use of NumPy data structures efficiently. This can be useful for some machine learning algorithms that require a lot of parameters or store the entire data set. Now, how we can do this? Let's see in Jupyter Notebook. Import pandas. From pandas, import read underscore CSV. From sklearn, import model underscore selection. From sklearn.model selection, import train test split. From sklearn.linear underscore model, import logistic regression. Import Joblib. From Joblib, import dump. From Joblib, import load. Now again, we'll specify the path where our file is located. These are the names of the variables. Data frame is equal to read underscore CSV. File name, comma names is equal to names. Array is equal to data frame dot values. X is equal to array square bracket colon comma 0 is to 8. Y is equal to array colon comma 8. X train X test, Y train Y test. Now we will split the data into training and testing data set. So train underscore test underscore split. X is a independent variables, Y the target variable. Now the testing size is 33. This means that the training data set is 66%. Random state is 7. Fit the model. Model is equal to logistic regression round bracket. Model dot fit X train and Y train. We will train the model with the help of 66% data set. Final name is equal to finalize model dot save dump. That is, we are saving the model. Round bracket model file name. Model and file name. Sometimes later we want to deserialize the model or we want to reuse the model. The advantage of deserializing is we don't have to run all this algorithm again. The model is saved. Loaded underscore model is equal to load file name. Result is equal to loaded underscore model dot score. Now we will run this model on the testing data set. Print the result. Here we got the classification accuracy of 78.74%. Quite good. For more videos on machine learning using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. All these codes are given in the book Machine Learning Mastery with Python written by Jason Brownlee. Please don't forget to press the like button. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter.